Follow-up visit. Anna Smith?
Yes, that is me.
Hello. Please come in.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am okay, but my arm still hurts a little.
This is a follow-up visit for your broken arm, right?
Yes, I broke it 3 weeks ago.
Are you wearing the brace every day?
Yes, I am.
Good. Does it hurt all the time?
No, only when I move it.
Can you lift your arm?
A little, but not too high.
Okay. I will check it. Please put your arm here.
Like this?
Yes, that is good.
It hurts when I do this.
I see. That is normal.
Really?
Yes, it is healing well.
That is good to hear.
Can you move your fingers?
Yes, I can.
Very good. Any swelling?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. You can slowly start light movement.
No sports yet?
No, not yet. Maybe in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Do you take any pain medicine?
Only sometimes.
That is fine.
When can I stop wearing the brace?
I would like to see you again in 1 week.
Okay.
If everything looks good, I will remove it then.
That sounds good.
Please keep wearing it until the visit.
I will.
Do you have any questions?
No, that is all.
See you in 1 week.
Thank you. Goodbye. High fever. Please come in.
Good afternoon.
You don't look well. What is wrong?
I feel very bad.
Tell me more.
I have a fever, a headache, and a sore throat.
Do you also have a cough?
Yes, I do. It started this morning.
Since when do you feel sick?
Since yesterday evening.
I will check your temperature.
Okay.
Please put this under your arm.
All right.
Let us see. It is 39 degrees.
That is high.
Yes, you have a high fever.
I feel terrible.
I understand. Let me check your throat. Open your mouth, please.
Ah,
Your throat is very red.
it hurts a lot when I swallow.
I can see that. I will also listen to your chest.
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Like this?
Yes. You have a strong cough.
Yes, it is getting worse.
I think you have a throat infection.
Do I need medicine?
Yes. I will give you an antibiotic.
Okay.
You need to take it for 7 days. Don't stop early.
I understand.
I will also give you medicine for your throat
Thank you.
and syrup for your cough.
That is good.
You should also drink warm tea and rest.
I will.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
You should stay home.
Yes, I don't feel able to work.
I will give you 1 week off work.
Thank you very much.
I will print your prescription and your sick note.
Thank you.
Take the medicine today.
I will.
Drink a lot of water.
Okay.
The pharmacy is next to the clinic.
That is good. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Ear pain. Good afternoon. What is your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Mark Davis.
Hello, Mark. What is the problem?
My ear really hurts. It started yesterday.
Which ear?
My right ear.
Does it hurt all the time?
Yes, it does. It is very painful.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Did something happen before the pain?
I think so. I was driving with the window open.
For a long time?
Yes, about 1 hour.
Okay, that can cause ear pain. Let me check your ear.
Okay.
I'm going to look inside your ear.
It hurts a lot.
I see. Your ear is red.
Is it bad?
It looks like an infection.
Oh no.
Don't worry. I will give you an antibiotic.
Okay.
You need to take it for 7 days.
7 days?
Yes. every day. Do not stop early.
I understand.
Also, keep your ear warm.
Okay.
It is still cold outside. Be careful.
Yes, it is cold.
Wear a hat and do not drive with the window open.
I will not do that again.
Good. If the pain is worse, come back.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, that is all.
Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Broken tooth. Hello, please come in.
Hello.
What seems to be the problem?
I broke my tooth yesterday.
How did it happen?
I was eating nuts.
I see. Does it hurt?
A little. I'm also very stressed.
Don't worry. Let me take a look. Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Open a little wider.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. I can see the broken tooth. Is it sensitive?
Yes, when I eat.
It's on the right side.
Yes, that's the one.
It isn't a big break.
Really?
Yes, I can fix it today.
That's great.
I will clean the tooth first.
Will it hurt?
No, it shouldn't hurt.
Okay.
Then I will rebuild the tooth.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
That's fast.
After that, don't eat hard food today.
I understand.
You will be fine.
Thank you.
Heart check. Good morning. What is your name?
Good morning. My name is Daniel Brown.
Hello, Daniel. What brings you here today?
I would like to check my heart.
Okay. Do you have any problems?
Sometimes I feel pain in my chest.
How often?
Not very often. Maybe once a week.
When does it happen?
Usually when I am stressed at work.
Do you have shortness of breath?
No, I don't.
Do you feel dizzy?
No.
Have you ever checked your heart before?
No, never. That is why I'm here.
That is a good idea.
I just want to make sure everything is okay.
Of course. I will listen to your heart first.
Okay.
Please lie down.
Like this?
Yes, relax.
I am a little nervous.
That is normal. Breathe normally.
Okay.
Your heartbeat sounds good.
Really?
Yes. I would also like to check your blood pressure.
All right.
Please give me your arm.
Here you are.
Your blood pressure is normal.
That is good to hear.
I don't see any serious problem.
So my heart is okay?
Yes, your heart is very healthy.
That is a relief.
The pain can come from stress.
I am stressed at work.
Try to rest more.
I will try.
Walks are also very good for the heart.
I like walking.
Go for a walk every day if you can.
Okay, I will.
And try to relax.
I understand.
If the pain gets worse, come back.
I will.
But for now, everything looks very good.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sore throat. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I have a very bad sore throat.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday morning, it is getting worse.
Does it hurt when you swallow?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel very hot.
Do you have a cough?
No, I don't.
Any headache?
Yes, a little.
Okay, let me check your throat. Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Say ah.
Ah.
I see. Your throat is very red.
Yes, it is very painful.
I understand. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Are you taking any medicine now?
No, I am not.
I will give you a prescription.
Thank you.
You should also drink warm tea and water.
Okay,
Try to rest today.
I will.
If you feel worse, come back.
Okay, I will.
Do you have any questions?
No, that is all.
Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.